A for apple, apple means सेब. B for ball, ball means गेंद. C for car, car means car. D for dog, dog means कुत्ता. E for egg, egg means अंडा. F for fan, fan means पंखा. G for goat, goat means बकरी. H for horse, horse means घोड़ा. I for ice cream, ice cream means ice cream. J for jar, jar means jar. K for king, king means बादशाह. L for lion, lion means शेर. M for monkey, monkey means बंदर. N for notebook, notebook means notebook, copy. O for onion, onion means प्याज. P for pen, pen means कलम. Q for queen, queen means मलका. R for rat, rat means चूहा. S for snake, snake means सांप. T for tomato, tomato means टमाटर. U for uniform, uniform means वर्दी. V for van, van means wagon. W for well, well means कुआं. X for X-ray, X-ray means X-ray. Y for yolk, yolk means जर्दी. Z for zip, zip means zip.